Do you struggle like millions of other people not knowing what to do with your leftover Halloween candy? Well, subscribe now and I'll show you what to do. Call the number now to find out. Instead of sitting on the couch stuffing your face watching Christmas movies, why not make a leftover Halloween candy cake? Subscribe now and I'll show you how. Let's do it! Go! So to start, I baked off 4 9-inch round white cakes and 2 6-inch round white cakes. Just gonna level them out, fill them with buttercream and candy, and stack them up. Let's do it. Stack these cakes, I have my bowl of goodies here, and I'm just gonna put some candies in between the layers. Rockets. So next I just filled my cheater bag with plain white buttercream. I'm just going to ice the entire cake and then I'm going to be doing a black watercolor effect. Let's do it. So once you're happy with your cake, pop it into the freezer for about 20-25 minutes. We'll pull it out and then we'll do that black watercolor effect. So next I just have some black icing in a regular piping bag. And I'm just going to dab it on the bottom of the cake, any which way. I'm trying to keep this on the bottom, I don't want to go all the way to the top. Take your really hot spatula and just smooth it out. You can go over this a couple times until you're happy with it. So now that your dowels are in, I'm going to go ahead and put some sprinkles all along the bottom of it. Try to keep the sprinkles in the bowl. Clearly this is not happening for me. If anybody wants to know what kind of sprinkles these are, I literally just mixed a whole bunch of different kinds of sprinkles. Gold balls, green, yellow, a whole bunch of different colors all in one, just mix them all together. So while that cake is chilling in the freezer, I'm going to level out some of my 6-inch round white cakes. And these are going to be surprise cakes. They're going to be filled with candy, and I'll show you how to do that. So I just have a little round measuring cup here, and I'm going to make a hole right in the center of the bottom cake and middle cake. I'm going to leave the top cake. That's kind of like your lid, so the candy won't fall out. So I'm just taking some buttercream and just putting it around the rim of each cake to hold them together. And we're gonna fill this with candy. Oh my god, do you remember these? The little candy bracelets? Throw that in there. anything. Get rid of all your Halloween candy. Why save it? Eat it all now. Eat it before your children get to it. So just a little bit more buttercream around the rim. Stick this lid on. We're gonna ice this with white and then do another black watercolor effect around it. So I'm just gonna go in and fix my ups because of my fat hands with a little bit of black buttercream and some more sprinkles. So next we're gonna melt down some white chocolate, dye it pink, and I'm gonna add a little bit of drip. Let's do it. So here it is, guys. Here is the leftover Halloween candy cake. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. And thank you so much, guys. We hit 1,000 subscribers. I am beyond happy. Thanks to all of you for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at epicconfections. And please send over your pictures of your cakes. I would love to see them and possibly feature them in future upcoming episodes. If you guys have any ideas for a cake that you want to see, please comment below. Bye!